Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce pasta at home. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything on hand for a smooth cooking process. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create a creamy, flavorful sauce that will impress everyone. Get ready to enjoy a restaurant-quality meal right from your kitchen. First, boil your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, which means it's firm to the bite. While the pasta cooks, we'll begin our creamy white sauce. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Once melted, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This mixture, called a roux, is the foundation for a smooth and lump-free sauce. Keep stirring for about 1 minute. Hey everyone, if you're finding this easy pasta guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation: for all your cooking inspiration and recipe reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find the link and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to ensure a silky smooth sauce without any lumps. Continue to stir as the sauce gently simmers and begins to thicken to your desired consistency. Finally, season your sauce with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder for that perfect flavor. Taste and adjust as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.